HyperLiquid has become the biggest decentralized exchange in the world. And if you are already trading on HyperLiquid, HyperStack will actually help you scale your account for trades that you're already making. Prop firms are fundamentally flawed, but what HyperStack is doing is actually pretty innovative. And I thought that this really caught my eye. I'm going to go ahead and jump in this video, how it works, how it differs from other prop firms in the industry, how your trades on HyperLiquid can actually translate into a scaled funded account. Let's go ahead and jump right into it, guys. If you're new to the channel here on In the Money, we go over everything that you need to win across crypto, prediction markets, and more. So hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more every single week here on In the Game. And if you want to check out all of our partners or you want to check out HyperStack, you can link down below in the description. Let's go ahead and just jump right into it, guys. So obviously it doesn't have to be said. You know, I think that if you're paying attention in crypto over the last year and a half at this point in time, HyperLiquid has become by far the most profitable decentralized exchange and the biggest decentralized exchange in the world. And it's really cool to see some of these big products building on top of it. I mean, there's a lot of an array of DeFi and all this different stuff that has built upon the rails and the infrastructure that HyperLiquid has built. And everyone, for the most part, that is on chain, unless you're using some other perp dex for maybe a future airdrop or something like that, HyperLiquid, for the most part, offers you the best value, you know, across perps, prediction markets, trading TradFi, whatever the case is. And when I see an innovative product, it always catches my eye, and especially to give access to retail traders that maybe don't have the most capital to trade with. This is where HyperStack comes in. Once again, HyperStack is a scaled perp trading prop firm. Now, I want to, preface this. It's a prop firm that succeeds as its traders succeed. So what you're basically doing is if you're trading on HyperLiquid, your funded account will mirror your trades that you're actually putting in on HyperLiquid. So it's a one-stage challenge, no activation fee after passing. You can scale your account up to $400,000. You can keep 90% of the profits, and the rewards are paid out in USDC. It's pretty straightforward. You can see here, one fee, one challenge. So what you'll do is you actually can go ahead and trade on HyperLiquid as normal, whether you're using $10, $100, etc. You come in here, you purchase a challenge anywhere from a 5K account up to a $100,000 challenge account. And what you'll do, you purchase that account and then you're hit with the dashboard. So this is just a $1,000 evaluation account. You can see here, I haven't made any trades on this yet. But what you do is you just go in here, download the HyperStack Chrome extension. So on the top right, you click more Chrome extension, and this will actually link up with your existing HyperLiquid account. You can come in here and actually continue to trade on HyperLiquid as normal, whatever markets you want. Let me just go ahead and pop over to HyperLiquid. And you can actually see on the top bar here, HyperStack in challenge. You can see your balance. You can see your intraday drawdown, your end of day trailing drawdown, which are some of the rules here. You can see your profit targets, and you can just come through here and say, hey, I want to trade Bitcoin. Boom. And if you were to take a trade here on Bitcoin, your HyperStack extension will pick that up and actually use it on your funded challenge, which I think is super cool because I think people overthink when they're trading, paper trading, trying to pass a challenge, but you're still in here utilizing your capital while trying to pass this challenge, which I think is super cool because you're going to be more diligent about, your trades, not going so risky, not trying to win the challenge in one trade, etc. So popular in the prop firm industry is multiple phases, big rules and restrictions that make it really hard to pass, activation fees after you pass, changing rules, etc. HyperStack takes a completely different approach. They're extremely decentralized, kind of on the ethos of what is happening on HyperLiquid specifically. They want high quality traders that are actually trading on HyperLiquid, not coming in here just trying to get funded off of a lucky payout, whatever the case is. It's a one-step challenge, no additional fees, and it's open source with verifiable payouts. So, I mean, HyperStack is one of the most transparent that you can find. And what I really like about it is it's built by the liquidity engine on BitTensor Tau, which is Vanta. So Vanta is a subnet number 8 here on the 𝗬 network, the first decentralized and trustless liquidity and execution engine for prop firms and traders. So they really are a liquidity engine for prop firms and trading platforms, which I love. I'm a big fan of 𝗏𝗏𝗀 or 𝗬. I'm a big fan of HyperLiquid, and people who are already trading there can come in and utilize this. So it's operated by a fully publicly doxed team, and everything is built around identifying and retaining and rewarding the world's best traders. So this is simulated trading. So it evaluates your performance as it mirrors your HyperLiquid account. Unlike traditional prop firms, they're actually getting real data, real profits, and actually seeing, okay, this trader is talented, you pass the evaluation, and then all of a sudden you are able to trade, and they will scale up your account as you grow. So let's just say, you know, you start with a, I don't know, let's say a 10K account. But boom, you can see it says here, scale up to 400,000. Let's say you're super profitable. You come through here, you're winning trade after trade. They will actually help you scale up your account if you're profitable up to $400,000. You can start with a 5K account. And if you're a talented trader, they will actually help you scale your account gradually up to $400,000 on HyperStack. So really innovative platform here. And it definitely caught my eye just seeing how different it is from other traditional prop firms. Like I said, most prop firms are extremely extractive. They know how hard it's going to be for you to pass a challenge. But if you're already trading on HyperLiquid and you're profiting maybe using a $100 account, you're making $5 to $10 a trade. I'm just throwing out smaller numbers because, you know, if you have a ton of capital to trade with, usually you're not going to go for a funded account. If you have $100 you're trading with and you make $7 on a trade, boom, that's 7%. But that 7% could be much more if you're actually utilizing a 5, 10, 25K account. And what they're going to help you do is actually just take your real life performance, duplicate it here on the HyperStack extension, as mentioned. And you can just click on the HyperStack extension here and it comes up on the right side. So you can see my HyperStack account, challenge progress, all that good stuff. So it's a really smooth platform, and it's so different than what we see in the industry currently. I mean, it has simulated trading, real rewards, built on HyperLiquid, which I love. It's only a one-step challenge. If you pass the challenge, there's no activation fee. They're not asking anything more from you. You keep 90% of your profits. And most importantly, you keep using your own wallet. Like, you can use your own wallet. It's completely decentralized the entire time, simply mirroring what you're already doing on HyperLiquid, which is why I think this is one of the best opportunities for current HyperLiquid traders. So if you're trading on HyperLiquid or you want to scale up your trading account, I think HyperStack is one of the most innovative products in that regard. And I just love seeing new products come out on HyperLiquid like this that get me genuinely excited to just see grow and blossom and people participate in. And I think HyperStack is legitimately incentivizing, the best traders in the world to come in and scale their accounts up to that $400,000 mark. So guys, like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I just wanted this to be a quick hit HyperLiquid, HyperStack video. Obviously, HyperLiquid, I think, has become probably the most successful decentralized product in the entire industry. And I definitely think that prop firms, quote unquote, have a space in that. And the way that HyperStack is operating definitely makes me excited, completely decentralized, transparent, and really just operating on a moral compass that I think a lot of prop firms don't. So like the video down below. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll leave a link down below to HyperStack. I think this is a fantastic platform, and you can come in here and get a challenge for as low as $74. And I believe there will be discount codes on the website if you want to utilize those as well, guys. So I'll see you on the next video. As always, like, subscribe, check out the links down below, comment your thoughts, and I will see you guys on the next video. As always, trade responsibly, my friends, and of course, stay bullish, my friends.